Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got a couple of cruise news stories for you guys today. Got some itinerary changes, some port changes, just some updated cruise information. Want to get out there to everybody in case it affects one of your upcoming cruises. So we're going to start with Virgin Cruise Lines. Well, Virgin Cruise Lines, they've made some changes to 10 of their cruise destinations, some time changes, arrivals, departures, including their embarkation port in the port of Miami. So starting with embarkation, the Scarlet Lady, which departs out of the port of Miami. Normally she departs out at 7 p.m. and instead is going to move that back an hour and is going to depart at 6 p.m. So what that means for guests is that they are going to have to be on board the ship no later than 5 p.m. Now, these changes that Virgin Voyages is making, they go into effect on August the 14th and will be for the remainder of 2022. So anybody that has a Virgin Voyages sailing and has a, late flight into Miami, was planning on boarding the ship there at the last minute, that has been moved back 1 hour, and you do have to be on board by 5 o'clock. And if you have one of these upcoming cruises, reach out to Virgin Voyages. They are making arrangements and helping people if they do have some of those late flights. That way they can make sure they still get on board the ship. Now, as far as the ports of call go, that is going to include Bimini, Key West, Costa Maya, Mexico, Cozumel, Mexico, Puerto Plata, San Juan, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and Roatan down there in Honduras. Now, for most of the changes, it's just an hour or two adjustment, arrival, departure times, and it is dependent on the specific itinerary. And Virgin wasn't really specific as to why they're making these changes. The only thing they said is this is based on feedback they've received from customers and travel agents, and that is what has decided these changes. All right, now we're going to hop over to Princess Cruise Lines and 10 itinerary changes that Princess has made due to issues up in Skagway, Alaska. So I'm sure you guys have been keeping up with the news. You know there's been 3 rock slides at the White Pass Railroad dock there in Skagway, Alaska. And this has affected some cruise ships' ability to dock there. Now, Princess Cruise Line still has 31 remaining stops scheduled in Skagway for the remainder of this Alaska season. 21 of those stops are still going to stop there, but 10 of them have been adjusted. So the August 23rd and September 6th sail dates for the Majestic Princess and the August 25th and September 1st sailings for the Discovery Princess will now feature Icy Strait Point. The August 16th and August 30th sailing dates for the Royal Princess will feature Haines, and the August 11th, September 8th, September 22nd sail dates for the Discovery Princess, and the September 13th sail date for the Royal Princess will feature Sitka. And that's going to be the changes for Princess Cruise Lines. Like I said, this is all caused by the recent rock slides that they have had there in Skagway, and it's just forced these itinerary changes. Again, you should have already been notified. You should have already received an email if you are booked on one of these affected cruises. And that's going to be our cruise news for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow and lets you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.